Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share an updated nighttime skincare routine because you've been asking for this and I think it's time. So you guys know at night I love to do a double cleanse, especially if I'm wearing makeup. So I usually use a cleansing balm or some kind of an oil. And you guys know that I tend to go back to the same products over and over again once I really like them. So I decided to switch it up. I am just starting to use this Biodara Luminous Cleansing Oil. I really like this brand. I met the owners a few years back at a beauty conference. It's an indie brand. They're putting a lot of heart and soul into it. And I really do think that they care a lot about the ingredients that they're using. Everything is organic in this and it just feels really, really nice on your skin. It's very luxurious. I like to use a pump in my hand, spread it around and then massage it into my face. I especially focus on the eye area. I really rub that area very gently. Don't worry, I gently rub it in so that it can really melt the makeup away because that's where it's hardest to remove the makeup. And then it comes with a little muslin washcloth that you can use, but I tend to just rinse it away because it's much easier for me, but you can do either. It works either way and you're bound to get all of the makeup off if you use the washcloth. So if you wear waterproof makeup, that's the way I would go. And then that's it. Your skin feels really nice. I really like cleansing oils because it's a gentle way to really remove all of your makeup. And I love that my skin never feels really tight after using an oil because you just want to be gentle with your skin. And that's why I really like a cleansing oil. Next up, this cleanser I had to actually work my way up to. I started with a sensitive and then I am now at the Lancer The Method Polish Normal Combination Skin. If you have sensitive skin, I wouldn't recommend this. I'd go with the sensitive version that they have, but it's an exfoliating cleanser. It feels like little sugar grains on your skin and you just rub it around. It feels very moisturizing while you're rubbing it around and it really does. It starts to clear your skin off really well. All I do is use like a little tiny dab of this because it's really strong. I always just make sure my skin is a little bit damp still and then I gently rub it into my skin in a circular motion. And it's not necessarily a cleanser, but because it works so well as an exfoliator, I actually do feel like it's cleansing my skin well enough to basically skip like that gentle cleanser right in between. So I go from the cleansing oil straight to this. I do feel like it works. I feel like my skin is starting to look poreless and just like smooth and beautiful, and I really do think this is a great exfoliator. And then after I cleanse and exfoliate my face, I always go with some kind of serum. At night, I really love to use a retinol, so I've been using this retinol cream that I said I would be trying. You guys might remember it from my Amazon video on mixed makeup, but on the nights I'm not using this, I also like to use this Genius Liquid Collagen from Algenist because this stuff is really good too. When I'm using the liquid collagen, all I need is about a pump. It comes with a dropper and you put it in your hand, you just rub it around and then pat it into your skin. I started using it because I'm really into collagen as an anti-aging ingredient lately. We all know that collagen is naturally occurring in our skin. It's what gives us that bounce and that plumpness in our skin. This really helps to restore that bounce, that firmness, and that resilience in your skin. And it's also a vegan collagen, which is a big bonus for me. It also has microalgae oil in it. You can see it, it's these little beads, and it just makes it feel really smooth on your skin. And you just immediately get this beautiful glow. It feels really nice immediately. You don't need to do much else after that. You just put it on, you feel glowy. With the retinol, I do it for 2 nights in a row and then I stop for a night or two. I just use one pump and it goes a long way. I just rub it around in my hands and then pat it into my skin and I'm good to go. All right, so after I use either the retinol or the serum, I then follow it with this. I just started using this. It's the Algenist Genius Sleeping Collagen. It's a newer product. I actually partnered with Algenist on a video for mixed makeup that I'm working on, and I am using it for a full 30 days and showing you guys the exact results I get from this. I just thought it'd be a much better way to partner with a brand is to show you guys how this product is working on my skin, so I'm really excited to share this with you. All the products in the Genius line contain hyaluronic acid, which is an ingredient that Algenist uses in their products. It really nourishes your skin and hydrates it and strengthens your skin. It also contains a vegan collagen, and if you don't know, collagen is a big part of our skin. It's what makes it firm and makes it feel supple. Like when you look at babies' faces, when they're like plump and soft and everything, it's because they have a lot of collagen. And as we get older, and when I say older, I mean like as we reach our 20s, it's like the collagen starts to decline, and so as you get older and older, you lose more and more collagen. So you want collagen to make your skin look very like soft and supple. And so this is a great way to get it because you're putting it on top of your skin. It really nourishes it. I feel like the sleeping collagen is kind of like a hybrid of like a really luxurious nighttime cream and a sleeping mask because you do want to use it at night. It's the optimal time for your skin to really recover from everything you've been doing during the day and stuff, and just really heal itself. It has this really nice fragrance to it too that's calming and relaxing, so you sleep better, because obviously sleep is a big part. You know, we've all heard of beauty sleep, and it's a big part of looking younger and looking more refreshed in the morning. You just put a little dab of this. Honestly, it's like very little that you need because it's so soft and buttery and smooth. I actually think it feels kind of like cashmere for your skin. It's so smooth and beautiful. I put a little bit onto my hand, rub it around a little bit, and then pat it onto my skin, and it goes a long way. It's so nice. I wake up feeling like my skin is already hydrated. I'm supposed to see really great results. Like, my skin's supposed to look dewy and hydrated and feel so much more nourished in just 10 days. So I'm really excited to get to that 10-day mark and show that to you. But I do feel like you have to spend at least 30 days with a skincare product to truly see what it does for your skin. I'm showing you guys every single day, basically, in that 30 days, what's happening to my skin and how it's reacting to this product. So I'm really hoping that you guys subscribe to Mixed Makeup if you don't already, and that you catch that video, because it's gonna be a really good one. And last, I always use a really rich lip balm for nighttime, because I cannot stand to wake up in the morning and feel like my lips are really, really chapped. So the one I've been using lately is this one. It's the First Day Beauty Ultra Repair Lip Therapy. It's petroleum free, which I like. You know, it just feels like a really nice lip balm. You just put a little dab onto your lips and you're good to go for the night. You're gonna sleep really well, especially if you got that sleeping collagen on, because it smells really beautiful. So that's my nighttime skincare routine. I've been trying to keep it fairly basic. I know there are a few steps in this, but it only takes me about 15 minutes, and I think it's a very well-deserved 15 minutes of my time every single night. I feel like you should really invest in your skin, whether it's the time and the money. You only have one skin, basically, so you gotta take care of it, because you will really regret it if you don't do that. In the future, you will totally regret it. Thanks so much for watching this video. Give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments if you want to see my morning skincare routine, because I still need to update that one too. Talk to you soon. Bye.